I've sifted through a desert in my heart to find all the oases where they are.
This is the exact spot I was imagining that we would be in. Look at this view.
And all sweet and soft come fountains with the sound.
It looks gorgeous. Do you think we can face the RV in that direction?
Like
I think so.
I'll follow you by moonlight when I go blind. It's a lovely thing to see things through your eyes.
This is our first boondocking trip with lithium and solar.
And it's awesome! We are going to go scout out a boondocking site with a new solar setup. And guess who's excited? I am.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go.
See that we're onto something. Feel it coming. We'll keep running. Nothing in our way. And we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to.
What are we doing this time that's different from a regular pack-up? Well, basically, like, let's take the bedroom here, for example. Our nightstands there are basically cleared off. We would normally leave stuff like that on there. That's all on the bed, or it's on the floor, because with lots of bumps, we don't know what's gonna happen. So, crossing our fingers. So now in the kitchen and the main living area, what are we doing differently? All the spices that used to be on that magnetic rack are gone, although we're leaving up an empty container just to test it out. We've never had one fall yet. Those all went down inside the oven, which we never use. We used to leave the coffee stuff right here. We're not doing that. I feel like vitamins, plastic stuff, that's going to be fine. We've taken some of the glasses out of here and moved them down below. I think the plates are going to be fine. There's paper plates there. What else? We used to let some stuff ride here. I think this will be okay. We'll just keep an eye on it. But we used to let more stuff ride up here. This is pretty normal right here. Instant Pot and air fryer ride on the ground. And this is a little different. We've got the Berkey and coffee stuff down there. We've always done this. It'll be more important. It helps to hold the TV in place there. So I can't cross my fingers. Crossing our fingers. Hopefully nothing else will break. Cheri broke a glass while she was doing just the last minute dishes. So that's the one thing we can break. We've already broke it. Nothing else can break. But in reality, we know stuff could break. So we'll see what happens. Time to get on the road.
This is where the adventure begins.
Yeah, I guess this is one of the first. We are on 525, known as the main drag, near Sedona, about halfway in between Sedona and Cottonwood.
Not taking too bad from this view.
Yeah, not too bad right now. We got our van lifers in a circle right over here.
Vans are over there, wow.
Did you seriously use your blinker? You are such a dork.
Oh, we had some viewers find us. Right there.
You're a movie star.
How's it going?
You're a movie star. I've seen you.
So I made the left-handed turn on the 525C just because I thought the road wasn't as bad down this way, and you know, I like the campsites and the view. It's a little farther from the Red Rocks, but just bigger campsites I think will do better for us because we're not subtle.
You are flying.
It doesn't feel too bad yet.
Well, think about how the glasses and the dishware feel.
Here goes nothing. Gonna have to level off there and go pretty darn low. Hopefully it can go low enough. Just lifting on the other side here. Well, I'm hoping that's success. These obviously are not level, so it's just finding the most level spot that the auto leveling system will do its job without, I mean, we have boards we can put out, but oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Talk about mountain tribe. We got snow up there in the mountains. Sweet. That was a strange sound. Well, so far so good. You always want to open these very carefully to see. Oh, just a plastic cup fell over. I don't see any breakage at all. Whoa. Oh, a few plastic bottles of vitamins. Not a big deal. Oh, starting to get pretty sunset right there. And how about that? Shot right there. The Red Rocks. So what are you camping in?
The miniature cabin you saw down the road.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we saw that. I think the drone flew right over that. So
I was waving. I don't know if you see me.
And what's your name?
Michael.
Michael.
I go by Tiny Cabin, one word.
Tiny Cabin, one word.
Wonderwork. Wonderwork.
Wonderwork?
Wonderwork. Like Wanderer.
Wanderer.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
okay.
just said it wrong.
Gotcha. Okay. Tiny Cabin,
Yeah, I don't-
Wanderer. Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you see the view?
I did. Can we boondock all the time? I never want to go back to another RV park.
Ah, that view isn't that great. What are you talking about?
360 mountains.
Yeah.
Like, I know for you it's about the view. For me it's about just peace and quiet.
Yeah.
Enjoy the journey.
Well, good morning. This is officially boondocking day number 1, I guess. And wow, the weather changed. It is colder. That's snow right there in the Red Rocks. So, but it's still an incredible view. I don't think we'll spend a lot of time outside. High of 45 today, but we can just watch movies, work. You know, this is really the dream when it came to thinking about RVing. This was it. Putting yourself out here, almost no one. I mean, this road can get somewhat busy during the day, off-roaders, especially weekends. We've got, you know, a Jeep camper right over there. So, but other than that, I mean, it feels like we're out here by ourselves. So, time for more coffee. What are you making?
A sugar-free cake for you.
Oh, nice. I manually checked the batteries, a few hours ago, and they are down around 20%. So, and I'm looking at the voltage here, and it's getting down, into the 10.75. There's 10.61, 10.5 right there. So it's gonna shut off probably any time. I think 10 is the lowest it will go. So instead of letting it kill everything and potentially ruin the cake, I'm gonna go ahead and start the generator before it shuts off completely. That's actually really easy to do right here from inside. So just start that right there. It'll do its thing, and it should immediately basically switch over to that. There's a little bit of a wait time for the generator to kick in. Yep, there it goes. Just switched over to bulk charging. So seamless, just like that. I knew we'd have to charge for overnight, and I mean, based on the day we had, we just did not get the sun today. So now we know what a cloudy day will do. I say we got almost 24 hours use without having to start the generator, without good sun. So maybe tomorrow with sun we'll have an idea of what that will look like. So our solar and battery test continues.
I cannot believe the wind here. It is nuts. It's so loud, and even our slide toppers are like making so much noise. I don't know how this pop-up next to us is staying upright, really.
We're gonna take the opportunity to run and get some propane refills and get rid of our trash and get out of this wind. Fun stuff, huh?
Woo! Yeah.
I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by.
Cheri drives crazy. Remember, I have to go to the bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
Shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh.
How do we find epic boondocking spots like this one? We are using the Dirt Pro app and website. And actually, we can get you a 90-day free trial if you want to check it out. I'll put that link down below in the description so you can find awesome boondocking spots trip planner, and more. So check out the dirt.
Happy with the little things we do.
I'm standing on an anthill. Shoo, shoo, shoo. And if you want to know more about what we're specifically using for our solar and battery installation, check the links below. But we're working with eTrailer and Go Power for the solar panels, the inverter charger, and also the solar controller, and Lion Energy as well for the lithium batteries. We don't know what's going on.
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep, home. Anywhere you wanna go, beyond the stars.